So now we are going to illustrate the testing of a bridge as it will be performed in the laboratory. The truss bridge is now placed between two tables, small length on each table. Now this is your hanger where the weights will be put, and these are the weights that will be added. Initially we have taken two small weights. This is 100 grams, this is 50 grams, a total of 150 grams that will be added as a stabilizing weight. So place the hanger at the center of the central member. Add the weight of 150 grams. The weight of 150 grams acts as a stabilizing weight. That means if your bridge initially has any residual strains in the members, it will help to eliminate those strains. So the weight of 150 gram is added and kept as such for about approximately 1 minute. So we are waiting nearly 1 minute here. In the meantime, I will enlighten you about the process of the loading. I have here with me weights of 500 grams. Your truss will be loaded in segments or in increments of 500 gram each until the truss collapses or one part of it fails and breaks. The basic idea here is that the initial weight, that is 150 gram, is the stabilizing weight and will not be considered as a part of your load at collapse. So suppose your truss has collapsed after adding 6 weights of 500 gram. The total weight or the total load at collapse will be taken as 6 into 500 grams, that is 3 kg and not 3.15 kg. So now we shall proceed with adding the weights of 500 gram. The first weight is added. It is left to stabilize for few seconds, let us say 5 to 10 seconds. Then the second weight is added. The third weight is added. And now we are continuously adding the weights of 500 grams. So now nearly, I think, now 9 weights have been added and the 10th one is being added. So the truss has gone to take load of up to 5 kg. Now since this is a truss of a thicker wood, that is nearly 10 mm, that is being used for testing, so it is expected to carry much higher load. The actual truss that you are going to build is of the thinner wood, nearly 6 mm thickness. It will probably break or will start to show deflections around this load. As you can see, the wires here have already begun to sag. So let us add some more weights here and try to go on until the truss collapses. Now the total weight is 5.5 kgs and now it is 5.5 kgs and we have run out of space here. So the basic idea is that truss is going to be tested until one of the joints collapses or breaks or some other part fractures. After that the testing will be stopped and the total weight added will be noted as your weight at failure or the load at collapse. Thank you.